my God.
Silêncio que cantam sutil esplendor, luz na madrugada, luz na madrugada, luz na madrugada, vem me guiar. Posso sem pensar onde vou parar.
Last night all I think about is you. Don't stop and you come on.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June.
Last night all I think about is you. Don't stop and you come on.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June.
Can't be. Oh my God. Can't be. Can't be. No way.
Oh,
No way.
boy,
No way.
boy.
Impossible. The heck?
Yeah, you stuck up there, twin.
Oh yeah, you're down for it. How that even happen? For sure. Oh, I just realized the.
My God.
Did you realize the song choice on the OJ one?
What?
I just marked my ex. My son tries to greet me after work, but my friend is already waiting for me at the casino. What movie is that? You travel
Oh,
back to
no.
September
Oh,
2001 and
no.
successfully stopped the hijackers.
Oh no. Oh
That's okay. Anybody know what movie this is? That's a movie, YouTube. We know that's a movie. Type beat.
At the end of the day, Ronnie, I am a man.
man.
Who's gay. You like get that through your head.
Yes, bro, I don't drink and drive. It's illegal.
no. Okay, what's going on here?
What was that?
Oh, calling them a sheep. Calling them a sheep.
Oh.
Okay, I get it.
Me, fantasy football commissioner, trying to find a day where everyone is free for the draft. The check. No, sir.
What you said?
Yes. Yes, you trying to cheat me.
Cheat you?
trying
Oh,
to
wow,
cheat
you trying
me.
to cheat me?
I didn't cheat you.
Yes, you did, Mike.
When?
You tried to cheat me today.
When?
Oh. 1,500 on the
WIDC
hill.
fantasy draft. What sport y'all want to do, chat?
No, I'm about to send you to God. I'm about to send you to Jesus. I'm about to send you to Jesus Christ.
What did I even do?
And then I'm gonna send you to hell. Tell Stephen Hawkins I said what's up. Yeah, fry yourself, buddy, fry, buddy, fry.
That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted, bro. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Stop. You trying to make me laugh right now, bro? Stop. Stop, bro. Crap off me. He trying to cheat, bro.
Bro, put it back on.
He trying to stay on. So when it's time, you can just attach him.
Okay,
Now.
you know what?
Now.
For when it's time.
That's crazy.
For when it's
he trying to make me laugh right now. He cheating. He cheating, bro. Come on. Daddy, please stop gambling my college funds. No, it's crazy. That's insane. Why is it on, bro? When HR brings out a binder of transcripts with my online username on it and asks me my opinion on diversity, equity, and inclusion in the workplace. Wow.
Yeah,
You know what? I really hate them. Ding, ding, ding.
Ring, ding, 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 ding. Ring, ding, 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 ding.
Me losing an argument. Yep. On me. Drop that R, twin. Live by it.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie.
Live by it.
That episode 6 when it ended, it was 5 or 6. When it ended, it was like, I'm you. I'm in your head. I was on the beanbag. I said, that was a cold little ending right there, boy. I like that. I like that right there.
No, you talk about when he said it?
Yeah. When he realized it was in his head.
Nah, it got me when he saw his wife. But not that.
No, yeah. When the other
when he
saw his wife. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. That whole little scene.
Yeah.
He was like,
You can see her?
see her? I said, no.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, that was good.
I had to cut a bill.
Best actor in Walking Dead. He was in Walking Dead.
There's a sheep outside. Oh my god.
I saw this somewhere. Yeah, I saw that somewhere. I saw that somewhere.
You saw that?
On TikTok or something. That's crazy.
Fine. So it's Friday night. I'm getting ready to go out.
I ain't got no
I'm
nigga.
feeling. But before I go out, I've got to pregame. And the only way I pregame is with an ice cold Bud Light. So good.
Who did this to... What is Joe thinking when he sees these?
I don't remember.
What is Joe thinking?
I don't remember.
We sucking, taking everybody's man. We're fucking everybody that got. We sucking everybody. 2017 Westgate. Sucking. If you sit.
Never going to New York.
New York can't be real.
It's not a real
bro, the bills can't be that high.
They can't.
The bills can't be that high. The bills cannot be that high.
They are that high.
In New York, no, not dying. It ain't that high.
Man, holy shit! It's a friggin' Yeti. Are you kidding me?
On the ATV.
He's stealing his quad and doing
Ripping
a
it.
180.
He's ripping it.
This creature is crazy. Oh my God! You just destroyed that snowman
Okay, so.
and garbage can. Hey, asshole! These albino Bigfoots are out of control. Oh man, I think Frosty is dead. Look at his decapitated head.
Why is it
What a
rhyming?
disgrace! He died with a frown on his face.
For sure.
Why is it
Bar.
rhyming?
I can see that. 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 I
Okay.
can see that. How it feels to listen to that song. A SEAL, a Navy SEAL who took out. Okay, I get it.
That's good.
That's good. Oh, we seen that. Yeah, we just gone.
Yeah.
What is this?
How long I've been waiting for this. Woo, I'm about to make a name for myself here. I don't just make sure people know what happened here today.
Oh, me. Y'all know. Y'all know. Y'all know.
We put a dick in the pot, boy.
Wait. Oh, no. That's more. That's
That's the same TikTok, bro.
Go back.
That's the same
You
TikTok.
sure?
Yeah, all I said was I F the pie. It's the same thing, bro.
So you,
Random thoughts with Aaron.
let's see. I like the first episode.
That Jesus black. Hey, hello. Hey, shit, you coming in here on me like that? I'ma come in you like that.
Yes.
Nigga, what? Nah, the robot was about to get roped.
Yes.
The robot was about to get roped.
Get roped.
The robot was about to get roped.
Get your ass on.
Huh?
So it's only bad what I do.
It's only gay. Nah, that's get back. It ain't gay if it's get back. It ain't gay if it's get back.
But I said the same thing about Diddy.
It ain't gay if it's get back. Y'all know how we rocking.
I said the same thing about Diddy.
Y'all know how we rocking.
Whatever.
Johnny, you won $50,000 in the jerky sweepstakes.
50 G's, oh mama! Think of all the crud I can buy. Candy, comic books, live, babe.
Right.
Wait, I know exactly what I'm gonna buy.
The heck did he buy?
What is it going to?
This won't end well.
That's good. That's good. That's good. 50 G's.
You want to know what's
that's
the sad part? He can't live that down. He can't ever escape that, bro.
Can't ever escape it, bro.
Can't ever escape that.
That's good.
Hello? Hello?
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
That's CGI?
That's CGI. That's CGI.
Oh my God! What the is that?
Is he going? No, he's not going toward it.
No, that was bad. That was bad CGI.
That was bad CGI for real.
At first it looked good, but when he started wobbling and it was staying still.
Right up. Teach an old Italian lady how to use an iPad.
Now, that sounds like fun. I'll give it a try. Hey, how are you? Look what I got for you.
What is it?
It's a tablet computer.
I don't want it.
But you don't even know what it is.
I don't want it.
But you can watch movies on it.
My eyes hurt.
It's gonna be copyrighted. We can't get to the punchline. We're gonna move on.
Young man.
Young man. Oh, proximity chat. You know what I'm saying? That was boy when the proximity chat first dropped. Whoa! All right.
Hey, W clip.
W clip though, for real, for real.
Pink jacket? Yeah, no, I was making fun of you because you were obnoxious. I don't give a fuck about your pink jacket.
Spider on your shirt?
It's Spider-Man! Hyphen! With great power comes great responsibility. With pink blazer comes annoying I learned that from Uncle Ben. Yeah, don't try to jump in, Robin. I got it.
What if your buds could turn a public place into a private moment?
Do you hear that heartbeat?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Parents of children who play Roblox. If your child was sexually exploited, abused, or pressured to share explicit content by someone they met on Roblox, you may qualify to file a claim. Estimated compensation varies depending on what happened and how it affected your child. For cases involving exposure to sexual materials, estimated compensation may range from $25,000 to $50,000. If your child was coerced into sending explicit content and is receiving ongoing mental health treatment, estimated compensation may range from $50,000 to $300,000. And in more serious cases, such as physical abuse, attempted rape, sexual assault, or trafficking, estimated compensation may range from $300,000 to over $1 million. Filing a claim is free, confidential, and takes just 2 to 3 minutes.
At what? No, it's the black Spider-Man suit that was created in 1988 when Secret Wars came out, and Venom wasn't a thing until 1991 when Todd McFarlane created the character. Don't ever attack a nerd. We will come back to school with a trench coat and an AK-47, bitch.
Whoa.
Shut the fuck up.
Hey.
I'm Troy Bond. Good night.
Standing on business. He was right,
bro. Stood on business.
Right.
He knew his information, bro. Time traveler. Hey guys, this is the first and second World War I soldiers.
What do you mean?
What?
do you mean there's a second one?
Huh?
What do you mean there's a second one, bro?
What? That's good. That's good.
No, there's food at the house.
But Mom.
Wow.
There's food at the house?
We don't have anything at the house. We have no food at the house. We have bread and water. Bread and water.
That's it. We don't even have a house. We have an apartment. We have no food. You know what I had for dinner last night? Sleep. I had sleep for dinner last night.
I feel him. I feel his pain.
I was just saying his mama is a 9-day difference.
Oh, how she look now?
Yeah.
And how she look? She's gained a little weight back there.
She's a 9-day difference. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
It took us a minute. It took us a minute.
God!
It took us a minute.
Oh my God!
It's worth it though.
On TikTok, I don't know his name, but he's so aggressive.
Yeah.
Like he attacks. He be beating his owner up.
He doesn't care about his 9 lives.
He doesn't. What is that? They said that's what be on your mind. That's what be on
They
your
said
mind.
that's my thoughts, bro. That's crazy work. That's insane work.
Damn you! You think you can just back out because you're scared?
Oh, Joe.
Well, Bara, this place is for mourning. I'm not gonna leave. Not until he comes.
Oh, because it's a scene. It's a good. Wow.
Yeah, we still doing vlog.
Save your bestie or dinner date with.
Hey, Mikey would want me to have that dinner date.
I didn't say that.
Mikey would want me to be happy, bro.
I didn't say
Mikey
that.
wants me to be happy.
And
more
so
than
would you.
anything.
You would want me to be happy, wouldn't you?
Nah, I don't.
Yeah.
Really
You would want me to be
You happy right now.
No, okay.
You wouldn't even be able to appreciate that.
Huh?
You wouldn't even be able to appreciate that.
Okay, whatever, bro. Hi, Carly.
Oh yeah. Gibby!
Gibby.
Eu nem sei a tua idade, tu querendo me mandar. Não sei qual que é a tua, mas tu não vai me brecar. Porque se tu pensa assim, tu sabe que eu não vou te amar. Pensa do meu coração, pra quem me conquistar. Pra quem pensa como eu sei que vai me apoiar. Sou de Libra, bem vivida, meu coração é gelado. Cê quer mandar em mim, então vai pra casa do Apocalipse do amor, apocalipse do amor. É macetado em todo mundo com a força do meu popô. Apocalipse do amor, apocalipse do amor. É macetado em todo mundo com a força do meu popô. Baby doll, só quer ser macetada. MC Erika, eu nem sei a tua idade, tu querendo me mandar. Não sei qual que é a tua, mas tu não vai me brecar. Porque se tu pensa assim, tu sabe que eu não vou te amar. Pensa do meu coração, pra quem me conquistar. Pra quem pensa como eu sei que vai me apoiar. Sou de Libra, bem vivida, meu coração é gelado. Cê quer mandar em mim, então vai pra casa do Apocalipse do amor, Why you always in the mood? I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? So I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Yeah.
还好我终于见到你，跨过了时间，终于再次见到你。可以什么都不做，就只是抱着你，牵着我的手，把一起飞到月亮去。你一直都是人群中闪耀的女孩，是我有生之年见过最漂亮的女孩。一直在艰辛等待着你会来，在下个转角和你撞了满怀。天使，你是我的 queen， 你是我的月亮，你是我的命，像是被猎手让我起了反应，只想要发疯，别让我冷静。Let's go。
Namorado, não te dava intervalo. Aí tu foi pra longe.
echoes of laughter caught in the air. A creaky floor, a rocking chair. I'm still sitting, but you're not there. Time's a thief, it steals too fast. Every heartbeat's tied to the past. Nostalgia, you cruel.
We always love my city, got love for my people. Put on, know I did this shit for me though. Get that money up, now your boy got it ego. Before you cut the check, nigga, another zero. And now from the night till the sun come, I was taught to go where I come from. Get that money, nigga, don't be a dumb. If you ain't hustling, then you ain't really got none.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste.
Show me I don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim me your eyes so I can tell the truth. I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. telling me you feel fine. Never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave, never leaving your side. Wanna keep you in my life, don't need to move. Whenever you here, I feel like I can't lose. Baby, I wanna ride with you, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me love, don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Yeah, yeah. Show me love so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Yeah, yeah.
Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem sou, passo bem sou, passo bem sou. Na festa do fim de semana, de semana. Pode de tabacosa, con la mia. Veo erra corte de fobat, e tento sair. Valeu trilha por você, já sabe não sei. De farmante de fazer, espessa do play. De farmante de fazer, espessa do play. De farmante de fazer, espessa do play. De farmante de fazer, espessado, 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 plado, plado, plado. On a la vie de ton pauvre, pas sa fille de souhait. Tu fais la bâtie du favre, plus que ça nous a. On a la vie de ton pauvre, pas sa fille de souhait. Tu fais la bâtie du favre. Dans son vaisseau, dans son vaisseau, dans son vaisseau, dans son vaisseau.
Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem sou, passo bem sou, passo bem sou. Na festa do fim de semana, vai me parar, 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 vai me parar.
Enquanto parede, vai, vai, enquanto parede, enquanto parede, vai, vai, enquanto parede.
Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Na festa do fim de semana, só um limão. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto. Passo bem solto. Passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana. Na festa do fim de semana, só um limão. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto. Passo bem solto. Passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana. Vai me parar, 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 vai me parar.
Em quatro paredes, em quatro paredes, em quatro paredes, em quatro
Na festa do fim de semana, só um limão. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto. Passo bem solto. Passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana. Vai me parar, 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 vai me parar.
Yeah. And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball, pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me, fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky broad. Original girl, some of them a dinner calf.
And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn